EatSleepYangon channel. I am Aoi San and I will be your host for today. Now I am in front of the Jatujak Plaza and I'm going to explore this area. So follow me. Wow, these look so amazing. Just look at her. And the detail of her. And she is holding the rice, I guess. And there are so many statues here. Medium bowls. I noticed something when I entered this street. This street has a lot of furniture shop. You see them, and this is really known for their furniture. And when you are in Bangkok and you want some furniture or decoration, people usually come here because you can buy so many statues and so many decoration, style of decoration. And I saw a drink shop over there, so let's go to buy the drink first. In here you can order so many type of tea like milk tea, lemon tea and iced tea, and they all cost only 25 baht for each. So let's try. I ordered lemon tea and it costs 25 baht, so it is around 75 cents. But this is so fresh. He add lemon and tea, so it became lemon tea. Oh my god, this is so nice. Let's go and find it.
I don't like the whole thing. See, that doesn't fit me.
I don't know why, but the color of this doll gives me Indian vibe. And this shop is so colorful, so I guess this is like the Indian style furniture shop. These are made of marble ball. Most of the furniture in here are made by marble stone. Oh, but this one is made by wood. You see? Yeah, it is amazing. Because nice one. The chair in here are made by bamboo. In Asia, we don't have like sofa or something like that in the Asian time. So we use bamboo to sit well. Bamboo chair. And there is also a coffee shop, cafe. You can buy different type of cafe and tea in here. Nick off. This is amazing. This is the Chinese furniture store, and in the Asian time, they use these in the door. So when you say knock knock, you don't need to go out. You just need to. So this is how they knock their door. That's good. And this now costs 1,000 baht, so it is around $30, and this is bigger. This is the right way to knock the door. And this costs like 2,000 baht, so it is around $60. And if you love to collect the old item, and if you are a fan of Asian antique, you will love it. And these are amazing. And for the lock, they use those things. I guess I have to know the lock. I don't know, but this is how they lock the door. These are their lock. Hi. Chinese cabinet. Oh, when you watch the 1980 Chinese movie, you will see those kind of cabinets in their movies. And so this is how they look. I will show you. Like this. Oh, there is nothing here, but you will see their lock style. This lamp looks so beautiful, and it costs 8,500 baht, so it is around $250. Oh, this looks so beautiful. So this shop name is San Furniture, Chinese furniture shop, and this is located in front of the Jatujak Plaza, and I see this. So I ordered the grilled squid, and after he grilled it well, he add the sauce into the grilled squid. So let's try the taste now. Oh, he just doing it, so it is so hot. I really like the texture of seafood. It is so unique compared with the other meat. And yeah, the taste of squid is sweet. Yeah, it is not too sweet. It is just a taste of seafood, you know what? And the taste of the sauce is spicy and sour. And I guess Thai people really love to eat spicy and sour taste. They add everything in it. And it is so chewy. You see? When you eat and it is so unique. I'm a bit hungry after walking a long way. So this is perfect for me. And now I feel that 20 baht is so cheap for this kind of food. Oh, I noticed something. Seafood in Thailand are a little bit more cheaper than in other countries. Today I explored the area of the outside of the Jatujak Plaza, and if you want to know more about this area, Don't forget to share it in our sister channel, EatSleep Bangkok channel, and we are going to upload more video about this area. So don't forget to check it out and see you in that video. Bye bye.